The early years of the jet were represented by a new arrival in the UK, a Lockheed T-33, resplendent in the livery of the Thunderbolt displayed. With Dan Griffith at the controls, we were treated to a truly spirited display of this early jet. T-33 was partnered with a Czech-built L-39 Albatros from the Breitling fighters. The L-39 was built as a trainer and was used extensively throughout Eastern Europe. This particular example was liberated from the Libyan Air Force before finding its way to the old